What's up, Soul Squad? It is Tuesday, and welcome to my channel. To all my new subscribers, to all you guys who've been here from the beginning. We are doing what? My honey butter cornbread done my way. I done showed you a cornbread video using my cast iron like once or twice. Now I'm showing you how I make my honey butter cornbread. But before we get started, shout out to who? The coldest water bottle. Love this thing. And with this heat, you want something cold, something that's gonna last. Coldest water bottle, and they got other things in there that you probably could use. It's in the link below. 10% off using the code SoulfulT. Now, quick shout out. These unconditionally I said these life unconditionally. These life unconditionally, guys. Go check out Elsie's over there cooking, mug banging, enjoying her family, motivational cleaning. I mentioned her before. I really love her video. Everything for her is going to be linked below. And don't forget Eating Good with Mike and Mel. Eating Good with Mike and Mel, guys. Vegan, I'm not just say vegan, no vegan. I was going to say vegan videos, but no, keto videos, low carb videos. She's over there cooking up a storm. The food looks so amazing. The recipes look simple and easy. And that's Eating Good with Mike and Mel. Her link is going to be in the description below. Go check out both those YouTubers. Get your coldest water bottle. Let's make some honey butter cornbread. This recipe is quick, it's easy, and you guys cannot mess this up. But I forgot my eggs. I always forget something. I gotta have 2 eggs. Before we get to the eggs, let's just go ahead and do our dry ingredients. I do it even. Y'all remember my cups I got from Amazon? I love these cups. I do it even. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Sit it right there. 1 cup of cornmeal right there. We're gonna go in with a 1 table, not teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Yes, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I'm going in with 2/3 cup of sugar. As much sugar you want is up to you. You can use that less, so not that much. And I'm also going in with a 1/2 teaspoon. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt, guys. You gotta have the salt to balance out this sweet, but I don't like too much. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. That's it. That's my dry ingredients. And I'm just gonna mix it all up together. And I'm not using my cast iron skillet this time. All my videos I don't show you, because I like cutting my cornbread in squares. I just like the uniform of it and how you can stack it. So I'm just mixing all this up together. And in the middle of this, I'm just going to push it all to the side. Make somewhat of a well with my hand. Push it all to the side. Because guess what? That's where all my wet ingredients go in there. And I'm going to start with a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. A 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Look at that. And I'm going to let my cameraman go give me 2 eggs. I need 2 eggs. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, got my 2 eggs. I know a lot of people like cracking the eggs separately, but you know what? I'm a risk taker. I've been doing this with cakes and stuff for so long. I just go ahead and let it flow. Now, also, we're going in with some honey. Remember, even though I put the sugar in, this is a honey butter recipe. So I'm going in with 2. Look at me. 2 tablespoons of honey. Yes, she did say it. 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm gonna get all that off of there. Amazing. Look at that. Whew. Alright, put that in the sink for me. Thank you. Quick, easy recipe, guys. And I'm going in with 2/3 cups. 2/3 cups of cream style corn. This is gonna taste so amazing. You know, there's a lot of liquids just because the more liquids you put in this, it makes it more smoother, it makes it more moist. And now I'm stirring this up, but I did not forget, and I'm not going to forget my cup of buttermilk. 1 whole cup of buttermilk. And there it is. Let me move that right there. And I'm going to stir this up. This is a quick, easy recipe. Once you try this recipe, you can be like, okay, that's a good cornbread. It smells good just with the cream corn in it by itself. And I'm just trying to get it all stirred up. I hold my hands a certain way because, ooh, look at that. Too much grip. Girl, y'all, that arthritis. Look, I'm shaking the whole table. Now, last but not least, what I want to add to this, guys, is a half a stick of cool down melted butter. You guys, what I forgot? I didn't forget. Who forget about butter and cornbread? Not I, said Miss SoulfulT. Look at that. And I'm just getting it all stirred up. And here, you're gonna love this cornbread. It's gonna come out so, and it's just how I want it. Not too thick, but not too thin. Just right. We're gonna take my square pan. Hand me the square pan. Again, take my square pan. Don't ask me the size. I done had this pan whatever. My oven is preheating on 350. And I'm just gonna butter this. I'm not doing no melted butter. I'm just buttering. I'm just buttering this pan down, y'all. Get that butter all up in there. All the nicks and kernels. Now you can spray, but I don't like with cornbread. I don't want to get my hands all messy. So I want to make sure my butter is up in there. Look at that. Okay. And I'm gonna take my cornbread just like this. And we're just gonna pour it. It's gonna take every bit of it. In the oven, this is gonna go on 350, guys. And it's gonna cook about 25 minutes until golden brown, done in the center. We'll be back when this is done. Ooh, butter paper. We don't want no butter paper. We'll be back when this is done. Alright guys, my cornbread is out the oven. Look how soft it is. My son always going to me talking about, you burned it, you burned it. I like a little dark around the edges. I don't know what he's talking about. So, it's hot coming out the oven, right? Put your butter on it. Let that butter spread. Pour your honey on top of the butter because it's going to melt. And you're going to spread it all together. I don't know why I can't squeeze. There you go. And you're just going to spread it all. This butter just going to melt all down on here along with the honey. And you know you got the butter and the honey and the look at that. I made this 2 days ago. This thing was so good. This looks so good. Look how that butter, I'm just rolling it. This came out the oven. And I'm just letting that butter just go all around it. I'm going to take that to the side. This is enough butter for me. Look at this. I'm just going to cut it. Woo! Telling you, you're going to love this cornbread. Look at it. It looks so good. Get some nice squares too. Yes. You're like, Mom, can you make that honey butter cornbread again? Yes, dude. You know the first piece is so hard to come up out. This is like a pie. You gotta cut a couple of pieces. Hate taking the first piece out. Cause it just break up. And look at that cornbread, y'all. Oh, it's hot. Put it on this plate. You want to put some butter in the inside. It is soft. It is moist. Oh, that corn. Oh, Oh, the butter. Oh, the honey. Oh, that is good. That's some good old cornbread. Guys, make this cornbread recipe. I like the darkness around the side. If you don't, you know, your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. This honey butter cornbread, add that cream style corn in here. Oh my God, this thing is amazing. Remember guys, go check out Bees Life Unconditionally. Go check out Eating Good with Mike and Mel. Everything in the description below. And do not forget your coldest water bottle, 10% off using the code SoulfulT. Other things on there that I swear you're gonna like. This thing tastes better than it made 2 days ago. You know when you make something good, you make it again. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified. Honey butter cornbread. My kitchen, my way. Love you.